This segment will familiarize you with the safety precautions of your new Agri-Fab steel toe roller. Never attach a garden hose to the fill-drain hole when filling. Dangerous pressure buildup could occur inside the roller. Never fill the roller to maximum weight without checking the capability of the vehicle to safely pull and stop. Refer to the towing vehicle's owner's manual. Never use the roller up and down hills. Always work across hills and slopes. Never use the roller on slopes greater than 10 degrees. Refer to the slope guide in the manual. Never allow children to operate towed equipment. Never allow children or others on towed equipment. Always use caution when turning, slowing, or stopping. Always drain the roller to keep it from freezing. Always keep the area clear of bystanders. Paying close attention to children and pets. Congratulations, your new Agri-Fab steel toe roller is now fully assembled and ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, please call Agri-Fab at 1-800-448-9282 or visit www.speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. Agri-Fab, lawn care made easy.